So we have 2 points here, and it asks us to find the equation in standard form. Now remember, the two forms we have are slope-intercept which is y equals mx plus b. Then you have standard, which is what we need, which is ax plus by equals c, and there are no fractions in this at all. Okay, no fractions. All right, so we got to start with this equation. First thing we got to do is find our slope. So we got to find our slope, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so that's going to be 5 minus 3 over negative 2 minus 1. Well, 5 minus 3 is 2. Negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. So my slope is negative 2 over 3. We're going to put that into our slope-intercept form. So y equals negative 2 over 3x plus b. And to remember to get that, we need to put our equation in. So I'm going to use 5, negative 2. I'm going to use one of these points. And remember, it's being multiplied, so it's times negative 2. Okay, so when I do this, I'm going to multiply that to the top there. And that's going to give me positive 4 over 3. So 5 equals 4 over 3 plus b. Okay, if we don't want to deal with the fraction, we're going to multiply everything by 3 to get rid of that fraction. Okay, multiply everything by 3. That gets rid of that fraction. Okay, so that goes away. We got 15 is equal to 4 plus 3b. So we're going to subtract 4, and we get 11 equals 3b. Divide by 3. So b is equal to 11 over 3. So we have our equation, and y equals negative 2 over 3x plus 11 over 3. But we need it in this form. This is the form we want. Okay? So what we got to do is first get rid of all the fractions. Since they both have a denominator of 3, I'm going to multiply everything by 3. Every little thing is going to be multiplied by 3. So I'm going to get 3y equals, now these 3's cancel out, which leaves me with negative 2x plus, and these 3's cancel out, leaving me with 11. So all we have to do is take this negative 2x and move it over here. Now remember, we crossed the line here, so we got to change the sign. So when I move it, it's going to become a positive 2x plus the 3y equals 11. It looks like that form we have up there, so we are checked out and